Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical, creating a 2025 calendar right in PowerPoint. Whether you're organizing your personal life, planning events for work, or just want a custom design, this tutorial will have you set up in no time. It's easy, fun, and doesn't require any fancy tools, just the PowerPoint you probably already have installed. First things first, open up Microsoft PowerPoint and start a new blank presentation. Go to the Insert tab and select Table to create a grid. For a monthly calendar, a 7x6 table works great to fit the days of the week and weeks in the month. Once your table is in place, click on it and adjust the rows and columns to make sure it looks balanced. Maybe 7 columns for the days and 5 or 6 rows depending on the month. Next, let's add the details. In the first row, type in the days of the week, Sunday through Saturday. Then, fill in the dates for January 2025, starting from whatever day the month begins on. Remember, 2025 is not a leap year, so February has 28 days. You can use the Fill feature or just type them manually. To make it pop, head over to the Design tab and choose a color scheme, maybe something vibrant like blues and greens for a fresh feel. Now, for some extra flair, insert shapes or images. Go back to Insert and add icons for holidays, like a pumpkin for Halloween or a turkey for Thanksgiving. You can also use the Text Box tool to add notes or events directly onto the calendar. Don't forget to format your text. Make the month title bold and larger for emphasis. Once you're happy with your design, save the file and even export it as a PDF if you want to print it out. There you go. You've just created a professional-looking 2025 calendar. This method is versatile, so feel free to adapt it for any year. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.